As globalization continues and the culinary cultures of different countries collide, food production is moving towards a faster and more standardized model, with food machinery playing an increasingly important role. In recent years, the global food machinery sector's growth rate has exceeded 5.5%. Taiwan has established a complete vertically integrated supply chain for metal materials, mechanical processing and electromechanical control, using the strictest mechanical and technical specifications for everything from design to assembly. Such products incorporate international health and safety standards to prevent food safety issues that could harm consumers, as well as offering significant advantages in quality and price. The industry's output value has grown rapidly to over $33 million in recent years.
Our reliable equipment manufacturing and factory integration is all about customization and adaptability. In the context of the climbing process and unequal food distribution, we help multinational food makers address production challenge with intelligent production line, supporting customers as they turn cross into high value-added products and contributing to the stable development of local food supply.
Taiwanese companies have strong, flexible R&D capabilities and customization capabilities to grasp market trends and continuously improve the efficiency and quality of products. Noodle dough is fermented by aging, making it more elastic, while cooked noodles can be flash frozen to -20 degrees Celsius, enabling it to be stored for up to a year. Continuous heat exchange systems have also made frying 70% more heat efficient and reduced oil consumption by 20%.
IoT and Industry 4.0 technology has massively improved food safety. We can analyze data from a variety of systems to implement smart production, failure prediction and intelligent scheduling, as well as intelligently tracking products, resulting in huge gains in both efficiency and quality.
In the context of wider trends in food processing and packaging integration, Taiwanese companies are adopting flexible designs that make the most of innovative and practical materials that enable them to rapidly adapt to the needs of a diverse range of product lines, while always taking food safety and branding issues into account.
The global push for net zero has created new challenges for food machinery in the form of carbon tax. Smart tech can make production process more transparent. Taiwan is at the forefront of all these emissions reduction efforts, from greener packaging and manufacturing waste recycling to improving energy efficiency.
Innovation, saving energy, integration, improving flavors. New solution for food machinery. Taiwan, your intelligent partner.